Hi Capricorn, this is your channel messages for the 23rd of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Capricorn, we're going straight into your reading, but before we do that, we are going to sing a channel song for you because you know that with industry, with the occult, we're going to channel everything that is in Hollywood. Nevertheless, Capricorn, this is your channel song. Call your phone 3 o'clock. Me not get you, me call back. Have to know say the thing lock. And me alone I forget that. Pull it up again from top. Wine pon the hoodie non-stop. Give me a carry you go the bus stop. See them wine pon addy like that. Cause you know. And I know say I a tight punani hold me. I a tight punani hold me, hey, you know, and I know say I the right cocky hold me, I the right cocky hold me. Okay, Capricorn, so your channel message is at 3 o'clock, okay? All right, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. Conversations got boring. Okay, I know that usually the spiritual realm, and when you're doing spell work, it usually go to you FedEx Overnight Express faster when you're dealing with a Capricorn. So I'm getting something about 3 o'clock Capricorn. That is your message, 3 a.m. All right. Let us go ahead and go into your channel messages, Capricorn. Your overall message is. Wait. The overall message is the Hangman, Capricorn. So I'm getting you seeing something different. And the Hangman is all about introspection. You were upright. You did not find the answers you wanted. Now you're upside down. You might have reached the enlightenment you're looking for, okay? Or I'm getting something about a time. You need a time confirmation. I'm getting something about 3 o'clock, okay? Or whatever you're doing. I don't know if you're doing spell work. It's more potent at 3 a.m. Let's go ahead and go into your reading, Capricorn. We got the Six of Swords coming out first. So the first message I'm getting, Capricorn, is that I'm seeing you pack up and you leave. You're gonna relocate. You might relocate in the break of dawn. I'm getting you pack up and you're gonna drive out, you're gonna leave. I don't know if you're planning to abandon someone, abandon a family member. Whatever you're planning to do, you're going to leave at 3 a.m. I'm seeing you packing up everything in the night and then you go in your car. You sit in your car, you take one deep breath, and then you drive off, okay? So you're leaving, Capricorn. You're leaving the Queen of Wands. I'm getting is a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius woman. If you're not leaving her, she's leaving you. She might leave you with a kid. Either she leave the kid with you or she take the kid with her. But I'm getting there's a child in the mix. So it's either you're leaving in your car at 3 o'clock in the morning to get away from her permanently or indefinitely, right? Or she's the one who's doing this to you. Maybe you're wondering why somebody did leave you or why they left that way. The Sun card, yeah, because she did pregnant. Or me getting you the one. So me getting you leave her because me getting you saying that somebody cannot be happy. No, if you're dealing with a Leo, you're very right. Leos cannot be happy. It's very, very hard for Leos to be happy. You're one of the most unhappy zodiac signs. Remember, unlike all the other zodiac signs, Leo is the only one who rules the sun. So Leos always feel alone. They always feel lonely. Even when they have friends and family, they feel like it's just me. So maybe somebody leave you because them tell you that you can't make them happy. What you promised them is not what you delivered. Blah, 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 right? But me getting that's why somebody leave you saying that the reason why I left you because you couldn't make me happy. Or you're saying that that's why she left you. She left you because you couldn't make her happy. I'm seeing a baby in the mix here. I don't know if somebody got pregnant and left. We have the King of Pentacles. Or someone's pregnant for an earth sign. She's pregnant for a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn man. That's why she left you. Somebody just get up, leave, never call you back, never block your messages, never. You couldn't even see the person physically again. Me getting is because she was cheating on you. And if she not cheat on you, me getting she leave you for a Capricorn. She with a Capricorn now. Me getting she very happy with this Capricorn, or she plan to have a kid with this Capricorn, or she's already pregnant for this Capricorn man. So no, me can't more also say something about a Sagittarius woman and a Taurus man. Sagittarius woman, Taurus man, and about this baby. Now, me getting the baby is a fire sign, the wife is a fire sign, but the father is an earth sign. Let me clarify the baby. The devil, the baby is not, I don't know if the baby are your own. It's for Capricorn. I'm doing Capricorn's reading. The Capricorn, this still can be you, but me just clarify the child. The child is clarifying the devil. So it's either, the reason why you went through so much stitches is because that baby was born premature because of the man who you slept with. You are sleeping with the devil, or at least somebody who has dabbled in demonic shit. Now, the sun card is clarifying the devil, which could also be, again, Capricorn. This is not your baby. I'm getting another yours. Maybe I want it to be yours, but I'm getting another earth sign is in the mix. One Taurus or Virgo man who she's with. So I don't know if you tell her, say, okay, if you want to leave the baby with me, or be getting the baby is not yours. She lied to you so you could have get trapped. So you could have spent as much money as you could, all of these things, and then she left for a Capricorn man. That's basically what I'm getting. I'm getting, I realize I get finesse, I get simp, or this Sagittarius woman who you were with for at least, it's looking up to 10 years. Yeah, she cheated on you. So, yeah, you don't want to see it because that baby don't look like you. You know she cheated on you. Me don't know where you see it in the house. Me getting something she do, you pick it up. Capricorn. So it's either you deal with a Capricorn or you deal with a Taurus. Unless somebody's in a them chart is Capricorn and somebody else is Capricorn. Cause me getting I want the baby for one Capricorn, or she tell you one lie to trap you. The kid's not yours. That's why she left you without any explanation. So maybe you find out something at 3 a.m. What happened at 3 a.m.? She opened the blood clot windows and met the people them crawling. Was she using her flashlight SOS? So when the man drive up, him can look through the window and see the flashlight and flash and know him to come through the back door. What the was happening? Because I'm getting this Sagittarius woman, she in deep shit when her man find out about this baby. Ooh, you in deep motherfucking shit, bitch. The Tower card, yeah, everything went crumble. Magic. Yeah, I'm getting magic at 3 a.m. Unless you're having sex with somebody early in the morning because you want them feel tired and can't bother get up to do something about the fact that you're going to try to mean them so them can have a baby. Pisces. One more. And we have Libra, alright? I'm going to leave it here. Pisces and Libra is usually a part. You did marry this person. Me getting your dreams are going to be shattered, Capricorn. And it might be shattered in the wee darn of 3 a.m. I'm so sorry. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.